Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing video. The unit that we're reviewing today is the Outre Neesha 203 unit. As always, I got this in a jet black one. That is my preference. This is not only another unit from the Neesha line, but this is also another Outre KINKY straight textured unit. So if you're a natural hair girl who doesn't like flat ironing her hair, or if you are debating on whether you want to go natural but you want to kind of test it out, this is definitely a win for you. This is a lace front wig. This unit is constructed on pre-plucked Swiss lace. It is said to have a natural texture and volume. And finally, this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So if you want to curl it, flat iron it, do a hot roller set, you are welcome to do that up to 400 degrees. On the bottom of the information card, it lists the additional colors that this unit comes in, as well as care instructions on the back. And inside the information card, you can see additional styles from the Outre Neesha line. So getting into cap construction, you guys can see that there are two combs, one by each ear tab. You have this middle parting space, and then at the bottom of the unit there's an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. So straight out of the box, this is what the unit looks like. It does come with that customary amount of lace, but it kind of got tucked underneath, so I'll make sure I go and cut that off once I'm styling the unit. Initial thoughts: this is voluminous, it's kind of messy, needs to be brushed. I feel like this right side has more curl to it than the left side. I don't feel like the curls are uniform. Maybe that's just me, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and style this and then I'll come back to you guys with my final thoughts. Okay, so we're back. It's styled. Initial thoughts going to this reminds me a lot of the Kaja unit from Janet Collection. If you guys haven't seen my review on that unit, I'll make sure I link it up here, but these are like exactly the same unit. This one, in comparison to the Kaja unit, feels a lot lighter. However, it still has very good volume. It has, I think I would say, better movement. It moves a lot more. They both have good movement, but this one moves more like hair that's growing out of your scalp. This unit is very soft as well. However, this unit does tangle more and it has more shedding. Just from brushing it and from running my fingers through, I'm only getting 2 strands, but from brushing it, I did get quite a bit of shedding. In terms of how I styled this, I did go over this with the flat iron just to get rid of some of that volume so it wasn't as overwhelming and my face wasn't being swallowed by the hair. In terms of the parting space, I did touch it up with a flat angle brush and the Ulta Contour Kit with the Bombshell Bronzer shade. When trying to decrease the volume on these units, I do prefer to use a blow dryer, just because with the flat iron, then you compromise the integrity of the kinky straight texture of the hair. So the blow dryer, it's nice because you can do some quick passes and you can still keep the integrity of the hair without it going to this silky straight texture. In terms of length, my belly button is right here and it is just barely missing the top of my belly button. Overall, I think it's a really cute unit to keep in rotation. Again, I will say what I said for this unit, the same as what I said for the Janet Collection unit. I would definitely probably put some large barrel curls. I do like that it has these long bangs cut in. However, I feel like they swallow my face a little too much. I think by putting some large barrel curls in this unit, it will definitely help my face not get lost in the hair. Overall, I think this is a really good unit to have on hand for everyday rotation. Overall, I was able to style this unit in about 5 minutes, which is great when you can take a unit out of the package, style it with little to no manipulation, plop it on and go. In terms of luster, you guys can see that shine to it. It does look like very healthy natural hair, and I would say maybe it has one pass of the flat iron over it. It still has that puff of blow dried hair, but it is nice and sleek. Just nice, thick, natural hair. And if you guys are wondering, this is definitely big head friendly. I was concerned at the beginning because that lace was tucking underneath and it did feel super snug on my head. I did not have to use any of the straps and I'm not using any of the combs. And just to get closer so you guys can see the texture, this is what it looks like. If I had to choose between this and the Janet Collection unit, I would definitely choose this just because it feels a little bit lighter. I like the volume on both, but this one doesn't feel as heavy. And just having that comparison, if I didn't have something to base this off of, then I would choose that one. But now that I'm comparing the two, I feel like this feels more natural. It's definitely lighter, but it has good volume. So you guys, that is all that I have for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see any other wig reviews, comment that down below. Definitely let me know what you guys thought of this unit. As always, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with a friend, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.